So what will come, children? Sagrika showed her paintings to all her friends. She was excited. Sagrika excitedly showed her paintings to all her friends. Okay. Can you try the next one? We are using an infinitive. Nishant gave blankets and warm clothes to his domestic help. Which one is correct? Tell me. Tell me, children. Nishant gave blankets and warm clothes to do his domestic help. What can come here? They worked very hard. He got international acclaim for his work. She was excited. It was kind of him. She has won the singing competition. I got a plate. He taught her to perform under pressure. Which one you option is correct, you think? Ananya, you can speak, beta.
It was kind of him.
Absolutely correct. It was kind of him. It was kind of him. Or it was kind of Nishant to give blankets and warm clothes. Okay. It was kind of Nishant to give blanket and warm clothes to his domestic help. The players gave an outstanding performance in Olympics using a participle. The players gave an outstanding performance in Olympics. He worked very hard. He got international acclaim for the work, for his work. She was excited. It was kind of these two are removed. She has one. She cannot come here. I got up late also cannot come. He taught her to perform under pressure. This will also not come. So what will come here? They worked very hard. He got international acclaim. He cannot come because players are plural. So they will come. Okay. So we have to use a participle. Can anyone try? Can anyone try? Having worked very hard, the players gave an outstanding performance in Olympics. Because we have to use participle. Having worked very hard, the players gave an outstanding performance in Olympics. Having worked very hard, the players gave an outstanding performance in Olympics. Having worked very hard, the players gave an outstanding performance in Olympics. M.F. Hussain was a modern art painter of Indian origin. Using a noun or a phrase in apposition. Come on, children, you can do it. M.F. Hussain was a modern art painter of Indian origin using a noun or a phrase in apposition. Which one is suiting to him? This we have removed. They worked. These three are removed. She was excited. It was kind of him. So what is left? She cannot come. He taught her cannot come. I cannot come. So this will come. He got international acclaim for his work. Yes, Ananya, try it.
He got international acclaim for his work.
So now change the sentence. Now complete the sentence. M.F. Hussain, a modern art painter of Indian origin, got international acclaim for his work. Okay. M.F. Hussain, comma, a modern art painter of Indian origin, comma, got international acclaim for his work. Lubna thanked her team leader for I think you can do it, children. It's very easy. Lubna thanked her team leader. How you will join this sentence with for? He taught her to perform under pressure. Tell me, children. Lubna thanked her team leader. Come on. He taught her to perform under pressure. How will you join these two sentences? Lubna thanked her team leader for. How can you join these sentences for? Come on. I want Anshika Goel. Tell me this one. For. How will you combine these sentences? Lubna thanked her team leader for he taught her to perform under pressure. What will come here? Yes, Ananya, you have raised hand. Tell me.
Lubna thanked her team leader.
For. You have to combine with for. For. Come on, speak up. For teaching her to perform under pressure. For teaching her to perform under pressure. For teaching her to perform under pressure. The woman is jumping with joy. You have to join with adjective clause. Adjective clause you will use who and where. Okay. Who and which. The woman is jumping with joy. The woman who is jumping with joy. Come on, tell me. How will you combine who? Come on, children. The woman who is jumping with joy has won the singing competition. The woman who is jumping with joy has won the singing competition. Some students block the test tubes in the chemistry lab. You have to put that noun clause.
Ma'am,
Tell me this one. The chemistry lab.
Some students broke the test tube in the chemistry lab.
Raghav reported to the teacher.
How will you
Ma'am, may I
find it?
tell?
Noun clause is there. Yes, you can tell.
Raghav reported to the teacher that some students broke the test tube in the chemistry lab.
Very good. Raghav reported to the teacher that some students broke the test tubes in the chemistry lab. I couldn't cook today because it's simple.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, beta.
I got up late.
Yes, I couldn't cook today because I got up late. So this chapter is finished, children.